only one more.
Working so hard.
Good. Okay.
You're working so hard. That was so fast. Are we going again?
You like it, huh? Okay. Carefully, carefully. One more. One more.
You got it. Push. Pull yourself. You got it.
There's another step.
Look, he got his hand in the little thing. Yeah. Take your time. There you go. It's fast. Hold on. Woo! Do you like it fast?
He likes it fast. You like it fast.
Is that so funny?
1, 2, one more. There's one more. There's one more right here. There.
Yeah, you're climbing a ladder. Here you go. No hands. Oh my God. He didn't even hold on. Maybe you should hold on the sides. Like,
Smile on his face.
babies like adrenaline rushes too. Okay, yeah, put your foot in the water.
Oh,
You got it?
One more.
One more.
That's
there you go.
good. Hold on.
Put your finger in that little... You can't wait.
Whoa.
Woo! Again? Again?
Woo! You should be getting it from the other angle.
It's fun to watch him climb. Yeah. Good. Thanks,
Okay.
Mom. Woohoo!
All right.
Hi.
2. One more. One more. 2. One more.
He's working so hard. Getting tired, baby? Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, put your hands in those holes.
You're gonna go feet first?
Okay.
You like it all different ways.
1, 2. One more.
You coming?
There was a step right here.
Let him find it, Mama. You're gonna go back down? Watch your face. You're getting tired, buddy. He's got his hand in these little grab things. Yeah.
That was work.
Wow.